I am in Copenhagen and I am planning to go out. Now I had planned everything, my dress, my footwear. I had this boot in my mind to wear today. तो ये होता है ना, कोई भी चीज़ शांति से हो जाए लाइफ में, हो नहीं हो सकता. Can you see this boot? Okay, the heels and everything, and I was ready to wear, but this happened. Now I don't know how will I do it, but I think I have to do because I have no other choice. मैंने पूरा matching set करके लाया था यार. I'm feeling very bad for myself. But it's okay, nothing can stop me. Since it was my first time being in Copenhagen, I did not decide to go to the city center. Instead, we were going to Tivoli Garden, which is an amusement park. And this is what I'm wearing. So it was whole blue look, blue sweater, blue trouser, and blue boot. And here's the total look. I added white to add some contrast. And I was very happy and excited, although it was hurting me when I was walking in that boot. We were only two people since everybody has been to Copenhagen, so they did not decide to go anywhere. So it was only me and her.
So we are right now currently here, okay? This one, Bella Center. So we have to take this Bella Center, green line to blue line, okay? Tivoli यहाँ पे Central Station.
Okay.
So अभी Bella Center, we have to put that map.
Say hi. Hi. She's looking so cute.
I look so short.
Because I'm wearing heel, at least 3-inch heel. Since we decided to go by metro, it was hardly walking distance from our hotel, so we were going. I don't know why, but I underestimated Danish winter. It was very cold, although यहाँ पे ना धूप होती है, इतनी ठंडी हवा, ऊपर से एकदम ही डल सा मौसम रहता है. सो इट वाज लाइक वेरी कोल्ड. वहाँ पे हमने स्पॉट किया इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट को, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम वी न्यू वेयर टू गो इफ वी आर हंग्री. इट वाज वेरी नियर बाय टू आवर होटल. And here I'm buying ticket, and we were very excited where we were going. It's basically an amusement park, very famous in Europe, and I was very excited. Accidentally airdropped her videos to some Daniel guy in metro station.
So cool.
That guy accepted as well. I thought she's Daniel. I don't know. People put different name in airdrop, and I thought she's the one, and I sent it to them. And now she's saying I haven't received.
I received just now.
After that goof up, it was time to come out of metro station just to see nothing but cold winter. Since Christmas was around the corner, we had beautiful Christmas decoration across the city center, and it was really good to watch. Where I was going, that was Tivoli, जो कि आप देख सकते हो walking distance पे है, so it was not very far from the metro station. Also, Copenhagen की जो Tivoli garden है, it is quite famous in entire Europe because this is the oldest Tivoli garden and बहुत ही प्यारा है अंदर से. I did not know much about it since मैं अपने friend के recommendation पे आई थी, and I did not just want to go to city center. I wanted to try to have an experience, and I thought Tivoli would be the one. So the ticket price is 379 Danish currency, which will be somewhere around 4600 in Indian, and we got this for ride. We bought it for ride, not just for garden. Oh my god, this is so pretty, na?
So pretty.
I feel like I am in some dreamland of Christmas. Everything has Christmas style, the soft music, and we are going for the ride. So, woo.
Look at that. It looks like it's the
Which? As you all can see, Christmas decoration was everywhere and it was so pretty. इट एक्चुअली फेल्ट लाइक आई एम इन सम ड्रीम लैंड। बहुत ही प्यारा था। अभी तो लाइटनिंग नहीं है, थोड़ा अंधेरा होने के बाद वहाँ पे लाइटनिंग भी बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी। आई कैन नॉट डिस्क्राइब इट। और वहाँ पे जाने के बाद हमारा पहला राइड जो था इट वाज दिस। सिंस जो टिकट प्राइस हमने पे करी है उसमें कुछ सिलेक्टिव राइड्स हैं, अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा पे करते हो तो और भी राइड्स आपको मिलते हैं। तो आवर फर्स्ट राइड गोना बी दिस। I am not okay. After this, I am not this girl.
I am okay.
It was fun, bro.
It was fun, right?
My heart
It's
was
like
in my.
adrenaline rush.
मजा आ गया. This is going to be our second ride. Yes.
Where next?
I guess.
Let's go. Let's make a live.
These people are screaming, Rini.
This right here, it's nothing. It's nothing compared to this one. Yeah, it's nothing. Let's go. She is literally shivering.
This better be fun.
Yeah.
How about this, Rini?
Yeah, we'll go there. I'm going to spend every penny I made.
You are not scared of any ride?
I'm not. I'm excited.
You are excited? मेरी फट रही है भाई, मेरी फट रही है.
Hot coffee भी है.
Hot coffee है, hot chocolate or something. It's Irish coffee. Warm cacao. We were so cold and in rush to have something hot that we burned our tongue together to drink that hot chocolate. We were in rush. Later we found that there are so many rides waiting on the other side of Tivoli Garden and we went. Bro, it's drizzling here. बारिश भी होने लगी. बीमार हो जाएंगे आप. But this looks fun. Scary though. I decided not to go there because वो एकदम टॉप पे ले जाके स्विंग था एंड आई वॉज सो फूल. आई गॉट टू नो कि वो काफ़ी धीरे धीरे ही होता स्विंग और आपको कोपेनहेगन का बेस्ट व्यू मिलता, जो कि मैंने मिस कर दिया बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि वो बहुत ज़ोर से स्पिन करेगा और मैं डर जाऊंगी. आई ऑलमोस्ट एंटर्ड देयर बट केम आउट एंड माई फ्रेंड वेंट एंड शी वॉज लाइक जागृति यू शुड हैव गॉन देयर एंड आई वॉज रिग्रेटिंग इट लेटर. दिस राइड हियर इट वॉज टोटल पैसा वसूल राइड, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग एंड फनीस्ट राइड in the entire Tivoli Garden in my experience. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया यहाँ पे. हम वहाँ पे ढूंढते ढूंढते जा रहे थे कि हमारे टिकट प्राइस में कौन कौन से राइड्स अवेलेबल है इन द मैप एंड वी फाउंड दिस डीप इनसाइड द टिवोली गार्डन. सो अगर आप आ रहे हो यहाँ पे तो आपके पास बहुत सारा समय होना चाहिए ताकि आप हर एक राइड ले सको. वेदर वॉज नॉट परफेक्ट फॉर अम्यूजमेंट पार्क बिकॉज इट वॉज ड्रिजलिंग एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द राइड्स वर क्लोज ड्यू टू सेफ्टी कंसर्न. ऐसे तो सारे राइड में फ़ोन वॉज नॉट अलाउड बट सरप्राइजिंगली इन दिस वन phone was allowed, so we decided to record it because we did not want to miss and we literally thought that it would not be very scary. But why did
It's not that scary.
We actually wanted to take a break after that ride, but we did not have much of time क्योंकि अंधेरा हो रहा था और there were so many ride left, so we had to rush. While exploring, we found this ride which was based on coal mining theme, and we thought that would be exciting as well, but it was not. It was very slow and boring, I would say. How do we remove it?
Just take it out.
What is this?
We have no idea. Why do I think this is also a roller coaster?
Kind of. It was not, and then we saw this break dance, and we literally thought this will break our bones, so we did not try that. Instead, we went for actual car driving.
Right. Where is? Oh, where how to go back? We are stuck. How to go back?
I did not get the concept. In that ride, phone was allowed, and in this stupid car drive, phone is not allowed. Although evening start हो चुके थे, lightning start हो चुकी थी, and roller coaster भी खुल चुका था जिसका time 3:30 के बाद से था, and we went for this, and this was our last ride.
This will be my last ride.
We actually waited for almost 45 minutes to get here.
Okay, that ride was not at all scary.
Where did she go? That was not scary. It was hardly for 20 seconds. It was so good, but it was not scary. You guys won't believe it's actually 5 p.m. here and it's already dark, but due to darkness, lightning has started coming on and it is so pretty. मतलब मैं वहाँ पे खड़े होके देख रही थी lightning and decoration was so beautiful, but we had to go because it was drizzling plus it was cold. और वहाँ पे रुकने का कोई point बनता भी नहीं था, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. हमने decide करा कि हम फ्रिज मैग्नेट लेंगे, कुछ खाएंगे, but just look at the decoration. It was so pretty. I did not want to go literally. थोड़ी दूर आगे जाके हमें एक शॉप मिला जहाँ पे फ्रिज मैग्नेट मिल रहे थे. That shop was well heated, cozy and comfortable. We did not want to come out. बाहर आके हमने सबसे पहले कुछ खाने का सोचा and this is what we found there, pretzel. हमने pretzel में chocolate की coating कराई and that was delicious. It was quite fulfilling. If you all know, pretzel itself is a whole meal अगर आप उसको किसी के साथ pair up करते हो. It was really nice and that's it for this layover vlog. I know I'm very late. I was not well. That is why I could not post this vlog on time, but see you all in my another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.